Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's try to understand HTML elements for line break and horizontal rule. HTML element BR defines a line break. It is an empty element which doesn't need a closing tag and content. This can be used to include breaks within a lengthy paragraph text. Here is an example where we have included one line break, two line breaks and three line breaks within the paragraph tag that we have in this example. Now let's take a look at the horizontal rule. HTML element HR defines a horizontal rule. It is an empty element which doesn't need a closing tag and content. This can be used to include a thematic break to separate different sections of the content of a HTML document. This generates a line across the web page. If you look at the example that is given here, we have used HR tags to separate two different sections of a HTML document. Now let's see how browser process both these two HTML elements. Here is the sample HTML document on the left hand side where we have used both line break elements as well as the horizontal rule elements. So if you look at the content here, we have defined the page heading and then followed by a horizontal rule and then section 1 heading, section 1 paragraph, and within the section 1 paragraph we have used one line break after the first line and then the two line breaks here and then the three line breaks here, and then we have used horizontal rule again, and then we have added section 2 heading and section 2 content. So with this kind of content that we have on the HTML document, so on the right hand side we have the content that the browser displays, where we have one line break here and then we have two line breaks here and then three line breaks here on the paragraph that we have on section 1. And if you look at the horizontal rule, so this is how the horizontal rule will display. Now we understood both line break and horizontal rule elements. In our further videos, we'll explore more HTML elements. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.